back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're in Granada Hills, California today, where I'm basically in, as you can see, lemon tree heaven. A lemon tree oasis is where I'm at today. It is, I think, pronounced O'Melveny Park, something like that, but nonetheless, it's in Granada Hills. Never been here before, but it looked like a beautiful site, and that's where we're headed today. So let's do it. I did like no research before coming here. I just kind of went down a rabbit hole and saw cool pictures. I didn't realize any of the trails or anything like that, but we're on the Grotto Trail. It's pretty much just straight uphill. Like, look how far we've come already. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hot day, it's like 87 degrees up here, but man, it's the middle of May and it feels like the middle of July. We made it. The view is amazing. Wow.